Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. During the courses or lectures on professional ethics, I told your seniors, of course, next semester only we are going to take up the professional ethics. I told your seniors, but that Section 35 of the Advocates Act 1961 is there to take disciplinary action against the erring advocates who exhibit professional misconduct or other any type of misconduct. That is after becoming advocates. But if you do some mischief during the bar examination, you all know after completion of your degree, you will be enrolled with the concerned bar councils. Then you will be given leverage of 2 years. You will be given temporary ID cards. You will be enrolled as advocates. But you have to go through, or you have to get through the so-called All India Bar Examination, that is AIBE. Unless you are successful, your sanad will not be made permanently. They will take back. So, if you do some mischief during the All India Bar Examination, definitely you will be summarily dismissed. You will not be, your enrollment will go back. So, you must be very careful. One such incident took place in Singapore. Of course, luckily not in India. This is a happy, it's Singapore. But by 6 people, 6 advocates, 6 young boys who has completed the so-called law course. So Singapore Institute of Law, SIEL they call it as. So they have passed the examination, but while taking the Part B examination, or just like our All India Bar examination, they cheated. 3 of them are of Indian origin. 3 of them belong to China and other countries. So the Parliament of Singapore, they have taken it very seriously. They are not allowed to practice. They have withdrawn from practicing. Actually, now they are working as paralegal advocates. Paralegal advocates they call. So they have withdrawn that also. So that means they lost the profession. They lost the enjoyment of the noble profession. They cannot practice law. Of course, 1 year ban is there. After 1 year, the government of the Singapore may consider. But the important point is, so cheating case in Singapore bar examination, that too, 3 of them belong to Indian origin trainees out of 6. I think 2 days before they have withdrawn their practice letters. So, I think Mr. P. Shanmugam, I don't know whether he is MP or Education Minister, he has been telling in the Singapore Parliament that actually the state has posted, the High Court has posted the matter for 1 year, but after within 6 months, these people have withdrawn their petitions. Now they are not willing to practice advocates. Okay, that's all. But from this time onwards, we will be more vigilant while conducting the so-called Part B examinations. Now let us go to the details of the case. 6 trainee lawyers, out of them 3 are of Indian origin, withdrew their applications on 15th August 2022. Of course, it is our Independence Day, but there so it is a normal day, right, to practice law in Singapore, as they were found to have cheated in the 2020 bar examinations, just like our AAB, right? They are Monisha Devraj, then Kushal Atul Shah and Sriram Ravindran. You may be knowing, most of them are Tamilians. Our Tamilians went to Singapore, they have struggled. Just now I mentioned the name of Shinamugam also, right? How they have done it? 5 of them shared answers for the 6 examination papers through WhatsApp. So they have taken advantage of the technology. Through WhatsApp, so normally you may be knowing the All India Bar examination will be done with papers, with books. Yes, you can go through the books. But instead of that, they have used the technology, WhatsApp, and they have committed cheating. So definitely, a lawyer should be honest. 7 lumps of advocacy. While discussing that, I will tell you. He should be honest and he should have the own integrity. He should have the mind that he should not do the wrong things. Right? Actually, The High Court gave permission to withdraw to practice law. Okay, they have given 1 year time was given, but before that within 6 months only they have withdrawn. So please remember here B exams, set B exams they have to pass through to practice in Singapore. Right? So this man. Actually this came up April in the last April itself, but Justice Chu Han Teek, so he has adjourned the matter for 1 year so that they will reconcile, they will do some social work, and the bar council may allow them like that with the very good intention only. He has posted the matter. But the Advocate General, he objected that they lacked honesty and integrity. They should not be allowed to practice. So please remember, so this is the city. So don't. So even though you are studying in other countries, don't get bad name to our country. See, it has come in the press that 3 of Indian origin trainee lawyers, they were debarred with help for practice. Very bad incident. But anyway, don't do such things. Thank you.